Greetings and welcome back to Drew's office. We're going to look at a few different ways to use subtotals in Microsoft Excel. Suppose we want to know how much we've spent on different items such as software or laptops. First, we need to sort our data by the appropriate column. Then, on the Data tab, right at the end of the ribbon, we can click on the Subtotal button. And we want a new subtotal each time the item changes. And the thing we want to sum is the price column. We have a tick box down here for the summary data. This simply means we'll get a grand total at the bottom. And there's our summary data. And for each change, we see our subtotal. We can expand or collapse the view using these buttons over here. Number 1 collapses everything. Number 2 is the next level, and then we can use these buttons to look at individual items. And whenever we want to see the entire structure, just click button number 3. We can add additional subtotals by going back to the Subtotals button. And this time, let's find out the average price. If we hide any of the rows, the subtotal still includes the hidden rows in the calculations. And when we look in the formula bar, we see that Excel is using the subtotal function. We'll take a closer look at that function in a short while. In order to remove the subtotals and return our data back to normal, click on Subtotals and remove all. We can also create outer and inner subtotals on different columns. Create a subtotal for the outer level, which is our department column. And then another subtotal for the inner level. We'll choose the item column and take this tick off so that we don't overwrite the existing subtotal. The subtotal function has two main arguments: the function number and the data range that we want to reference. And the function number is what makes the subtotal function so versatile. We can basically call upon another function based on this long list. Functions 1 to 11 will include any hidden rows in their calculations. Functions 101 to 111 will exclude hidden rows. We just want to count the number of items, so it's function number 3 for the count A function. The reference is our data range. We can autofill this down and change it to the function number 103, which will exclude any hidden rows. Build another formula to find the highest priced item. Choose number 4 for the max function. Create another version using 104 as the function number. And let's do the same to sum up the total column. To fully appreciate how the subtotal function behaves, if we filter the department column, they all respect the filtered data and calculate only the visible cells. If, however, we manually hide some rows, we see the difference. Until the next time, we are done.